Managing a construction project's quality can be overwhelming. On any given project, there can be hundreds of team members working on thousands of tasks every day, and ensuring that everyone is operating at a high standard is difficult. By leveraging a cloud-based platform like Autodesk Build, teams can take a more proactive quality management approach to ensure project success. Let's dive in to see how project teams can reduce rework, gain visibility of issues, and resolve problems faster. Careful planning is the first step to reduce mistakes and minimize rework on your projects. To start, teams can create templates for quality checklists to standardize data collection, use pre-built templates, upload existing PDFs, or build templates from scratch. Choose the ideal form collaboration setting and specify contributors and reviewers. Through the use of signatures and required fields, teams can ensure accountability and data accuracy. Consistent reporting allows teams to increase transparency by providing a clear track record of work performed. Easily export and share completed QA/QC checklists or punch lists to ensure everyone is informed about work progress. Users can include any photos and documents added to the forms in the reports to provide further context. Forms and issues are the backbone of a standardized quality control process. Start by filling out quality checklists from your desktop or mobile device. As unsatisfactory answers arise, easily click to create a new issue. Attach photos, documents, or sheets to your checklist to provide further context. Once created, all quality checklists are connected to related issues or forms to ensure information is always accessible and up to date. Through the activity log, users can see a transparent audit trail of all updates made on quality checklists, including assignee changes, added documents, photos, team member signatures, and more. Efficient issue management is essential to ensure all quality-related problems are resolved as swiftly as possible. In the Issue Settings tab, users can create custom issue categories and types. Select the exact type and enter custom root causes for each quality issue. By tracking this type of data, teams can more easily find information, as well as better understand key problem areas. Teams can also leverage 2D sheets or 3D models by placing pins to identify the exact location of quality issues. This makes it faster for team members to find the exact problem and take action. Additionally, users can directly assign issues to the right team member and automate assignee notifications in order to ensure faster resolution. Since quality issues often turn into more formal RFIs, through a single click, teams can escalate any issue to an RFI. This connected workflow saves time and increases transparency across the entire team. Punch lists are another significant part of every project's quality workflow, so a seamless process for filling them out can save significant time in the field. Through a mobile device, team members can identify and initiate fixing errors directly from the job site by filling out punch lists during walkthroughs and site inspections. As users create issues based on punch list items, they can assign them immediately to the relevant sub so they can get resolved without delay. Track these issues in one place and get notified as soon as they are closed. Finally, quality management doesn't end at handover. All the assets installed on-site will need continued monitoring and regular maintenance. Through the Assets tab, teams can leverage a centralized place to track and manage the lifecycle of project assets from design through handover. This includes storing all asset-related documentation in a centralized database that is easily available to hand over to owners and maintenance teams. An ongoing benefit of centralized asset and equipment tracking is the ability to easily access asset data in the field. This allows teams to perform commissioning and quickly resolve defects while reducing risks. Finally, teams can connect workflows and increase project lifecycle transparency by linking relevant forms and issues directly to the asset. Enhance your build management workflows today to reduce rework, increase transparency, and speed up issue resolution with Autodesk Build.